rail, just stand against the rail, relax.
Want me to do something or?
Okay guys, come on like this. Perfect. Great, no problem.
Hey, thank you. Thank you. Dank je wel, jongen. Dank je wel. Dank je wel. Ik heb 3 kussen. Nee, helemaal niks. Dank je wel. Kom even hier achterdoor. Dat is nummer 2. Wat drinken. Kijk. Look at it. That's what I'm talking about. That was an easier one than last year, but still feels good. Where's my monkey?
Yeah, you have to wait. It's too hot now. You have to wait, okay?
Oh, really?
Hot, yeah?
I'm just kidding.
No, wait.
Yeah, wait. You're still biting?
Yeah.
You've seen him today already?
Yeah. I've seen him.
You've seen him? How big is he?
That's a surprise.
Oh, hey.
Congratulations.
All good?
Great.
Yeah? Sure, jongen.
Congratulations, man. Huh?
You just have to get second, buddy. Right, listen. Tonight, party there. Come. I'll get those. Good old Wayno. Different than last year, but still feels good.
Yeah.
Last year was more emotional, but when I see this, I already get happy.
Got it, huh?
That's great. Thank you.